What's going on, guys? Boost Auto here. Today we're going to show you how to install your new paint matched bumper step bezel on your 2019 and newer Chevy and GMC truck. Let's get into it. Nothing ties a build together like paint match parts for your truck. It's an easy upgrade that makes your ride look clean, dialed in, and straight from the factory, but better. That's why here at Boost Auto, we've introduced our paint matched rear bumper step bezels for 2019 and newer GM trucks. These parts are professionally painted in our in-house dual bay paint booth, using your vehicle's manufacturer's paint code or VIN to match your color exactly. No more having to wait on your order, then having to wait again just to get them painted. It's now as easy as a few clicks of the mouse to get the high-end look you've always wanted. So stop dealing with faded plastic parts and aftermarket parts that don't fit. Save yourself time, money, and the headache of a body shop, and order your paint match bezels from Boost Auto today. A couple things to note before we get into the install. The procedure in this video is meant for 2019 and newer GM 1500 and 2020 and newer GM 2500 and 3500 trucks. If your vehicle is a different year range, head on over to boostauto.com for all the latest in fitment and availability, and to purchase all we have to offer. Let's get into it. The first thing we need to do is remove the mounting bolts on the back of the step. Depending on your vehicle, you will have either one or two 7mm bolts. One is going to be toward the middle of the step, the other will be at the bottom near the rear bumper support bar. Just a quick note, because of the bottom bolt's proximity to the bumper support bar, you'll have to use a 7mm wrench to remove it. The next thing we need to do is remove the step pad. So, using a trim tool, you're going to pry under the front lip of the step to disengage the front tabs. Once that's done, lift up on the pad and remove it. Next, we need to remove 5 Torx screws, 2 here on the bottom and then 3 on top. Depending on your vehicle, they will be either T15 or T20 size. To finish uninstalling the factory step bezel, you'll have to remove 3 plastic tabs on the bottom of the bezel from these 3 slots in the bumper. To do so, push down on these smaller locking tabs while pulling the bezel away from the truck. Now just repeat the same steps on the other side of the truck.
Now we're installing our new paint matched bezel. So make sure we slide in on the side here and then line up all those little clips on the bottom and then just push to lock them in.
Next, go ahead and reinstall the 5 Torx bolts, making sure to only use hand tools.
So the last physical piece we actually have to put on is our step here. So you've got a bunch of clips going around here. Make sure you line them all up and then see now they're all lined up. We're just gonna go ahead and push it in, and then we can go and retighten the 7mm bolts underneath.
Reinstall the 2 7mm bolts on the back of the step that we removed earlier. To finish the installation, repeat the same steps on the other side of the truck.
All right, guys, that's a wrap. We just finished installing our new step bezel on your truck, and I think it looks pretty sweet. If you want to check out what other painted products we have to offer, check out our website at boostauto.com. And for that, I'll see you in the next video.
The products shown in this video, and so much more, can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one.